Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about the Android 12 update that is already being released for the Galaxy S21 series. So you can see from this article, One UI 4 actually is being rolled out to the Galaxy S21 series, and I believe it's already being rolled out on 15th of November. So if you got it, then that's great. For me, I have yet to receive the update. I checked on my device. I have not received it yet. So it's still rolling out, looks like, to more countries, but certain countries are already getting it. So yep. And if you're not aware, the One UI for beta program also just recently ended. So yeah, that's actually pretty fast. They're already rolling out to the public and already can install the new features of Android 12 alongside with One UI 4. So that's the latest news on the Galaxy S21 series. There is a leaked image also going around, or it's already posted a while ago. I just didn't check regarding the timeline on when you're gonna get the update. So there is one post here by Frantron on Twitter, so I'll just link his picture in the link description if you want to read it. So this is a leaked upgrade notice from Samsung members. So if you don't know what Samsung members is, an app in your on your device, you can also install it if you want. So this Samsung members app posted a notice on their Korean version of the app. It's already deleted, so someone managed to get a screenshot, and this is what we got. So I'm not sure will this be the latest or not because they deleted it, so it might change in the future. But so this is the timeline that we kind of get to see. So this is an idea of what to expect for the Android 12 update. So you can see on November it's pretty much confirmed we're getting the Android 12 update for the S21 series, which is already being rolled out. So that is nice. So for December, looks like we're gonna get the Z Fold 3 series, the Flip 3, and the S20 series is coming next month, which is nice, alongside the Note 20 series, and also some of the older Fold 2 and Flip series as well. That's coming on December. So yeah, they're going from their latest to their sort of their previous generations and so on. So next year looks like we're gonna get the Fold first generation and also the Flip alongside with the Note 10 series, the S20 FE, S10 series, and also starting to see some of the mid-range devices like the A52 series, A42, and so on will be getting the update as well. So that's pretty cool. And on February, looks like we're gonna get the Galaxy Tab S7. So the tablets are also gonna get the update eventually. For some reason, March is not in the list. I think it's missing or something. I'm not sure why, but it's not in this list. So we're going to skip to April. April, we're going to get some of the mid-range devices such as the A51, the Tab S7 FE as well, and also some of the older tablets, Tab S6 and the A90. So that's pretty interesting. I'm not sure what is Jump and A Quantum. I've never heard of that device, but probably some region has that device, so also we're getting on April. Moving on to May, we're going to get older devices like Tab S6 Lite, Tab Active 3, A32, and so on. So all these older devices also will get Android 12, which is nice. And June, only one device, so Tab A7 Lite. And on July, it's a Galaxy A21 series with the X-Cow 5 M12. So some of these devices I also don't even know, but uh, mainly you can see from this timeline, we're gonna get the newest devices followed by all the older ones, which is pretty standard. And yeah, so this is the timeline you can expect for the Android 12 update to arrive for your Samsung Galaxy device. So yeah, that's pretty much it actually for this video. Just want to talk about the One UI 4 that is coming. I'm very excited to try out this update as it brings major new customization options. So we can't wait to see that. And if you are using any of these devices, then yeah, you'll be getting it pretty soon. Just matter of time when the update rolls out. And yep, that's pretty much it guys for this video actually. Just want to share you guys that the Android 12 update is coming very soon on your Galaxy device. And don't forget to check for updates if you want to see whether you can get the update for your S21 series if you're using one of them. And if I got my update, I will definitely do a video on this and I'll give you guys my full impressions on the update and whether I find it worth it to upgrade or is it not worth it to upgrade. So find out in that video. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.